The extra wide and contoured cable guide fingers, spaced 1 3/4 inches apart, separate and organize patch cords for quick and easy moves, adds, and changes. The cable guides are offset to ensure proper bending radius of patch cables, even hooded patch cables. Patented fingers meet the requirements of UL 94V-0 flammability rating. Snap-on covers are easy to use and open 180 degrees up or down adjacent to installation. Covers and panel have a black powder coat textured finish, reducing fingerprints and smudges. For a more detailed spec sheet and to order online, visit discountlowvoltage.com.